Hi, my name is Griselda Navarro.
Hi, my name is Sabrina Magro.
And my name is Julia Mayberry, and we read the article Purposefully Poetry by Susan Dove Lemke. This article was about poetry and how it became relative in the classroom and how to use it in everyday curriculum.
It was very important to us as a team to define poetry and to describe its practical use in the classroom. First, we'd like to share a great definition we found about poetry. According to our text, Literature and the Child, poetry is a shorthand of beauty. Its distilled language captures the essence of an idea or experience and encompasses the universe in its vision. This definition is important for our general understanding. It is crucial to know what poetry is and can be so that we can learn to utilize it as a learning tool. Purposeful poetry, as defined by the article, is when the poet intends to teach children something finite and factual. An educator can use personal experiences to write a poem and teach certain concepts. For example, a teacher can select a book and tie it to a personal experience by writing a poem to help introduce new concepts, such as diversity, segregation, vocabulary, among many other concepts.
Poems are solely created to tell a story and educate the audience. Poetry can be used as a device to help teach a subject, such as in this poem, the author displays a few different poems created. Not only can they tell stories, but they can include facts and colorful descriptions, and can relate to multiple subjects, including, but not limited to, English, math, science, and many more.
It was once believed that poetry would not work in the classroom because it was not relatable to children. Poetry was once believed to only be relatable to adults. Educators steered clear from using poetry in the classroom for this very reason. Teachers soon found a way to connect adult experiences to children's experiences, which can aid to intersect poetry into the lives of children and give educators the opportunity to integrate poetry into the classroom. In conclusion, poetry can be used in multiple subjects to make their curriculum more inclusive and exciting.
Poetry can also act as a learning device when teaching students certain concepts in the classroom.
Defining terms before beginning lessons helps aid in teaching.